Good morning students, welcome to Sheba online class. Today I am going to explain fourth sum in 1.1. Already we have seen first three sums. Today we are going to see fourth one. Fourth one is Tenmalar appeared for competitive exam which has negative scoring of 1 mark for each incorrect answer. In paper first she answered 25 questions incorrectly. And in paper 2, 13 questions incorrectly. Find the total reduction of marks. Listen, ஒரு காம்படிஷன் எக்ஸாம் தேன்மலர் அட்டன் பண்ணுறாங்க. அதில் அவங்களுக்கு அது காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாம்னாவே ஒரு ஆன்சர் நீ ராங்காக போட்டுட்ட அப்படின்னா -1 பண்ணிடுவாங்க. உன்னுடைய மார்க்லேருந்து ஒரு மார்க்கு ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. அவங்க எத்தனை இன்கரெக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னா ஃபஸ்ட் பேப்பரில் 25 கொஸ்டின் இன்கரெக்டாக ஆன்சர் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. செகண்ட் பேப்பரில் 13 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இன்கரெக்டாக ஆன்சர் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. இப்போ டோட்டலாக அவங்களுக்கு எவ்வளோ மார்க் ரெடியூஸ் ஆகும் அப்படின்றது தான் கொஸ்டின். ஓகே, லிசன். ஸ்கோர் ஃபார் இன்கரெக்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் -1. ஒரு மார்க் மைனஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னா நம்ம -1 போட்டிருக்கோம். பட் நம்ம தேன்மலர் ஃபஸ்ட்டு பேப்பரில் 25 இன்கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஸ்கோர் ஃபார் 25 இன்கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் இஸ் you have to multiply 25 by -1. Is it? ஒரு கொஸ்டினுக்கு ஒரு மார்க் மைனஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. அப்போ 25 கொஸ்டின்ஸ்க்கு 25 மார்க் மைனஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ மல்டிப்ளை தீஸ் டூ we get -25. Understood this? Similarly, in paper 2, paper 2ல எத்தனை கொஸ்டின் அவங்க இன்கரெக்டாக பண்ணாங்கன்னா 13 கொஸ்டின். ஸோ ஸ்கோர் ஃபார் தோஸ் 13 இன்கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் இஸ் 13 into -1. Is it? 13 into minus we get -13. Understood this? So we want the total marks get reduced. Total எவ்வளோ மார்க் ரெடியூஸ் ஆகுது அப்படின்னா if you add these two we get total mark reduced. How to add? -25 plus -13. -25 plus -13. Listen, this is additional statement. If you having plus sign in between two numbers means this is called additional statement. Okay, how to add this? In addition, if two numbers having same sign we have to add. So here also we are having same sign, minus minus. So add these two number we get what? 38 is it? And put the common sign. What the both the numbers having, that is our common sign. So put -38. So totally நமக்கு தேன்மலருக்கு 38 மார்க் ரெடியூஸ் ஆகுதுன்னு அர்த்தம். ஓகேவா? So our answer is 38 -38 மார்க் ரெடியூஸ் ஆகுது. ஓகேவா? இந்த காம்படிஷன் எக்ஸாம்லாம் இப்படி தான் கொஸ்டின் கேட்பாங்க. லிசன், இந்த மாதிரி கொஸ்டின் கேட்குறது எதுக்கு அப்படின்னா நீ ஒரு கொஸ்டினை ஏனோ தானோன்னு அட்டன் பண்ணாமல் நல்லா கிளியராக படிச்சுட்டு அட்டன் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்றது தான். ஓகேவா? Let us see the fifth sum. Listen, in a quiz competition, team A scored +30, -20, 0 and team B scored -20, 0 and +30 in 3 successive rounds. Which team will win? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? Okay, listen, here given team A scored 3. Okay, in 3 rounds team A scores +30, -20 and 0. இப்போ இது total score வேணும்னா we have to add these 3 numbers. Okay, total score of team A is, we can add these 3 numbers. Listen, if you add 3 numbers, first consider first 2 numbers. So only I put in the bracket +30 plus -20. Listen, this is additional statement having plus sign in between these 2 numbers. How to add these two? These are in different sign. So first number is plus and second number is minus. If 2 numbers are different sign, then we can subtract and put the big number sign. We know very well this. Now subtract these two, what we get? Plus 30 minus 20 we get 10 and put the big number sign. Here big number is 30 and its sign is plus. Understood? Next we can add 0 with this 10. Okay. 10 plus 0 is what? We get 10 only. Now total score of team A is 10. Similarly, we are going to find the total score of team B. Listen, again team B scores is team B scores are minus 20, 0 and plus 30. Here also we are going to add first two numbers. Now listen, minus 20 plus 0. What is the value of minus 20 plus 0? If we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. So here we get minus 20. Okay. 0 vada endha number add pannalum we get the same number. So minus 20 plus 30. Listen here. Now we are having the same additional statement and different sign. Two numbers having different sign. Different sign means we have to subtract. So subtract panna enna varum? 30 minus 20 is, we know very well, 10. And also put the big number sign. Big number is 30 and its sign is plus. So our answer is plus 10. Or otherwise we have to write simply 10. Oh, you need not put plus sign. Okay. Listen the answers. These two are same. Here also we get 10. Here also we get 10. So these two are equal. So we can write score of team A equal to score of team B. Understood? Next, our next question is, can we say that we can add integers in any order? Integers endha order la venalum add pannalama. Listen the scores. A score is plus 30 minus 20 0. B scores are minus 20 0 30. All the three numbers are here. Adhe number da inga irukku. Same numbers are but in different order. Order mattum change aayirukku. But we get the same answer. So order change aayirundhalum namak answer enna dhaan kedaikudhu same ah dhaan varum. So only we can write, we say that we can add integers in any order. You மாத்தி எழுதி add பண்ணாலும் நமக்கு same answer தான் வரும். Okay. Okay, let me see the sixth sum. Listen, or 11 plus 7 plus 10 and 11 plus of 7 plus 10 equal. First we are going to explain these two are equal or not. Equal ah illaya nama find out panna porom. Next one, mention the property. Okay, listen. First take the first statement. What is the first statement? 11 plus 7, write in bracket, plus 10. First add these two numbers, we get 18, and then add 10 with the 18, we get 28. Okay, next take second statement. Now we take second statement is 11 plus 7 plus 10. So it is equal to, keep 11 as it is, plus do the calculation of these two, 7 plus 10. We get 17. Now add these two numbers, we get 28. Listen, these two answers, they are equal or not? Of course they are equal. So we can write these two are equal. That means 11 plus 7 of plus 10 is equal to 11 plus 7 plus 10. Okay, and the next question is mention the property. Okay, in the previous class we have studied the properties. Listen, in this property, suppose three numbers are occurred means this is definitely associative. And also we are having plus sign. Plus sign means addition. So this is an associative property of integers under addition. So you can write, it is an associative property of integers under addition. Suppose 3 numbers occurring means definitely it is an associative property. Okay, let us see 7th one. Find 5 pairs of integers that added to 2. Pair means 2 numbers. If you add 2 numbers, we get answer is 2. So we are going to write 5 pairs. How to write? Listen. You start wherever it is. Suppose first 1 plus 1 start pandra. We know very well 1 plus 1 is 2. Listen. The next step, we have to subtract 1 from first number and add 1 to next number. What we get? We subtract 1 from 1 we get 0 and add 1 to 1 we get 2. Now we get again 2. Similarly, we subtract 1 from 0 we get minus 1 and plus 3 we get 2. Similarly, we can write all the pairs. Minus 2 plus 4 we get 2 and minus 3 plus 5 we get 2. Understand this? You can start 1 plus 1 or wherever it is you can start, but in the first number you have to subtract 1. In the second number you have to add 1. First number la subtract பண்ணனும், second number la add பண்ணனும். We get the same answer. Okay. Let us see the next heading, that is subtraction of integers. Okay. For every subtraction statement has a corresponding additional statement. What is that means? This is the subtraction statement. Now we are listen, we are having minus sign between these two numbers means this is a subtraction statement. Now we are going to change this subtraction statement into additional. How to? It is possible. Before doing this, we should know additive inverse. The last class, in the previous class, we have studied about additive inverse. Minus 2. The additive inverse of minus 2 is plus 2. Isn't it? The additive inverse of minus 2 is plus 2 and the additive inverse of plus 2 is what? Minus 2. Remember? Here also we are using the same. Listen, first minus 8 minus 5. Listen, first write the first number as it is. There is no change in first number. Next, changing this minus into plus, we should write the additive inverse of the next, that is second number. We should write additive inverse of the second number. Okay, இப்போ minus plus change பண்ணும்போது we have to replace this number minus 5 into plus 5. That means the additive inverse of this number. Understand this? This is the way. Listen, minus statement எப்படி plus statement மாத்துறது அப்படின்றது minus 8 first numberல changes கிடையாது. So we have to write as it is and then the minus plus மாறும்போது we have to write the additive inverse of the second number. Minus 5 becomes plus 5. Now we are getting the additional statement, isn't it? For addition we know very well how to do the sums. These two are different sign, so we can subtract 3 we get and put the big number sign. Big number is 8 and its sign is minus. Understood this? So minus kuduthirundangana we have to change into plus and then do the calculations. Okay. Next, listen, for example, fill in the blanks. Minus 30 plus dash equal to minus 50. Listen, here one minus number is given and equal to minus number is given. For this sum, how to use this? Listen, minus 50 write first. Equal to அப்புறம் இருக்கிற அந்த நம்பரை அப்படியே எழுதுங்க. Next, change its sign. That means additive inverse of minus 30. அதை எடுத்துட்டு வந்து இங்கே எழுதுகிறோம் plus 30. ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஈக்குவல்ட்டுக்கு அப்புறம் இருக்க நம்பர் எழுதுகிறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு minus 30 இருக்குது அப்படின்னா அதனுடைய additive inverse எழுதுகிறோம். Additive inverse of minus 30 is plus 30. Now add these two. What we get? These two are different sign. These two are having different sign. So subtract பண்ணும்போது what we get? 0, 2 and put the big number sign. Big number sign is minus. So our answer is minus 20. This is our answer. Now check பண்ணி பார்த்துடலாம். Minus 30 plus minus 20. Listen, these two are same sign. And also additional statement. In additional statement, if two numbers having same sign, we can add. So add பண்ணா என்ன கிடைக்கும்? 30 plus 20 we get 50 and put the common sign. What is the common sign? Minus. So this is our answer. Okay. This is the way to fill in the blanks. Next, subtract the following using the number line. Minus 3 minus of minus 2. First, we have to change the subtraction statement into additional statement. What we have done in here, the same thing we are using here also. Minus 3, instead of minus, we have to change plus. For that, we put the additive inverse of the second number. Additive inverse of minus 2 it was minus 2 is plus 2. So minus 3 plus 2 we get. Okay. How to draw the number line for this statement? Listen, first draw the number line like this and put 0. The right hand side we are having positive numbers, is it? The left hand side we are having negative numbers. Next, our first starting place is 0. What is the first number? Minus 3. So we move towards minus 3 left hand side. Minus 3 means left hand side of 0 we have to move. 1, 2, 3. 3 steps we move. So it represents minus 3. Okay. Next, plus 2. Plus 2 means in the opposite side. இப்போ நம்ம இந்த சைடு வந்திருக்கோம், இதனுடைய opposite side அப்படின்றது இந்த சைடு. இந்த சைடு வந்து how many steps you have to move? 2. Only 2 steps. From here you have to move 2 steps to this side, opposite side. Listen, 1, 2. Okay, it represents minus 1. This is our answer. Okay, understood this? See, next one, true or false. Listen, first one statement is given and we have to find the calculation of left hand side and then calculation of right hand side. If these two are equal, the statement is true. Okay. Let me do 70. Listen, this minus, we have to change this minus into plus, then write the additive inverse of second number. Minus 40 oda additive inverse enna appadina plus 40, which is equal to 70 plus 40. So now add these two numbers. Listen, 70 plus 40 means same sign. 70 and 40 having same sign. So we can add. After adding we get 110, is it? And also put the common sign. Here also plus, here also plus. Therefore the common sign is also plus. Our answer is plus 10. Sorry, 110 equal to 70 plus 40. Here also we get 110. These two are equal. We are getting the same answer. So our statement is true. Okay, today we have studied the subtraction of integers. In this heading we are doing how to add two numbers in subtraction statement and how to change the second number in the additive inverse of the second number. Excuse me.
Next class I will continue.
Now we have understood about subtraction of integers. Thank you, children.